see the next example of finding convolution using graphical procedure. Let us see this question. Find the convolution of following signals by graphical method. X of t is equal to u of t plus 2. H of t is equal to u of t minus 3. So let us see. First let y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t, or the convolution of h of t convolution with x of t, both answers will be same. So you can write the formula for the convolution: integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau into d tau, or you can write it as integral minus infinity to infinity h of tau into x of t minus tau d tau. We can use either of this formula. So use this formula. First, in graphical procedure, what we have to do? We have to plot x of tau, h of t minus tau, and we have to take the overlapping and non-overlapping regions and we have to find out the area under this product curve. So that is what we do in graphical procedure. What is the first step? The first step is to plot. The first step is to plot x of tau. So what is given x of t? X of t is equal to u of t plus 2. X of tau. What is x of tau? U of tau plus 2. So as you know that how to plot from unit 1, you know how to plot u of tau plus 2. So u of tau or x of tau, you can write it as x of tau versus tau. Tau is equal to minus 2. It starts from minus 2 of amplitude 1 towards right side. So this graph will not change. Now what is the second step? The second step is to plot h of t minus tau. You have to plot t minus tau. So what is h of t is given? H of t is given as u of t minus 3. So what is h of tau? H of tau is equal to u of tau minus 3. First plot h of tau, again next h of minus tau and h of t minus tau. So that is what we have to do. First plot h of tau. So this is h of tau versus tau 0. So it starts from tau is equal to 3. So therefore it starts from 3 towards right side of amplitude 1. Next plot h of minus tau, that is time reverse of h of tau. So therefore h of minus tau versus tau will be 0. It starts from minus 3 towards left side because it is time reverse. Right side we have to draw exactly to the negative side. So therefore next what is finally? We need h of t minus tau versus tau 0. Add t to the scale, it will become t minus 3 towards left side of amplitude 1. So let us plot x of tau and h of t minus tau together. So see, first plot x of tau versus tau. Let us see x of tau versus tau. So x of tau versus tau starts from minus 2, 0 towards right side of amplitude 1. And the second one, h of t minus tau versus tau. So this waveform is t minus 3 of amplitude 1. The next step we have to take is that we have to find out where these two graphs will not interact and where these two graphs will overlap. So that is what we have to check. So therefore when these two graphs will not overlap, when t minus 3 is less than minus 2, these two graphs will not overlap. So that is what first case we have to take when t minus 3 is less than minus 2. We have to move, first keep the x of tau as it is and move the second graph from left side to right side. So that is what we have to do. First we have to take non-overlapping regions. That means when t minus 3 is less than minus 2 or t is less than 3 minus 2, it will be 1. So when t is less than 1, so you can see that plot both graphs on one scale. So therefore this is x of tau versus tau, where it is starting minus 2 towards right side of amplitude 1. So we have taken t minus 3 is less than minus 2. That means t minus 3 is less than minus 2. The second graph will be like this. So h of t minus tau. So you can see that. So the area under this product curve, because these two graphs are not overlapping, so therefore the area under this product curve is 0. So therefore that is what first step you have to write. Y of t is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau is equal to 0. When this will happen? When t is less than 1. So this is the first one. So let us see the second case. Case 2. First, when these two waveforms start overlapping, when t minus 3 is greater than minus 2, so therefore these two graphs start overlapping. So that is what we take when t minus 3 is greater than minus 2 or when t is greater than 1. So let us plot the two graphs on the same scale. So this is x of tau. First x of tau. First don't change x of tau graph. So this is 1. So you can see that we have assumed that t minus 3 is greater than minus 2. You can try anywhere. Because t minus 3 is greater than minus 2. You can try anywhere. So of amplitude also 1. See that the amplitude also 1. So this is the common area between these two graphs. So this is tau, h of t minus tau. So the common area exists from minus 2 to t minus 3. So just first let us write the expression. So that is integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. So that is equal where the interaction region is from minus 2 to t minus 3. In this x of tau amplitude is 1, h of t minus tau amplitude is 1 into 1 d tau. So take the limits t minus 3 tau. If you substitute limits minus t minus 3 plus 2, so it will become t minus 1. You have to clearly mention when t greater than 1. So therefore you have to clearly mention. So therefore y of t, the answer of convolution is equal to 0 when t is less than 1. There is no overlapping region. Now, so what is the answer? T minus 1 when t is greater than 1. So this is the answer for this problem. Also you can write the answer also like this, or y of t is equal to t minus 1, because this t minus 1 is starting from t greater than 1. You have to also mention the answer like this, t minus 1. So this is the answer for this problem by using graphical method. Thank you.